Looks like we've had a bit of a windstorm here, and this is not the end of the world, but a lesson learned of gotta do it better, gotta build it better, gotta anchor it better, and I can't believe it moved the wheelbarrow and all that. It also took 2x4s down on the inside, and if you look back there, the chair is even turned over. But back to the drawing board. I'm so amazed the greenhouse made it through the storm last night. And what I did the day before with putting in the support there with the wood, and then redid the rebar and brought the panels back up to a level position. And then on this side I only put a few clips here, and then a board right here, right there, going across. I had this like a teepee, the 2 stakes, but this one right here, let's see, that one moved this direction, and that's fine. I've got them hooked with a bungee, and then I put a board across here. This is something that Bob Velo wouldn't be too happy with the construction, but MacGyver would really be proud of me, you know. So now that I've survived, we have survived a major windstorm. I wasn't out here to see how the gutter worked, but let's go inside and take a look. There's no major puddles of rain in here. See, the soil is still somewhat dry, so I don't think the water came back in to this area. But I could see and I heard, you know, like this support came down, and I'm gonna have to redo the supports to keep them up more. I'm gonna take them down, put a screw in the 1x2 and take it down and permanently attach it to the 2x4. That 2x4 came off the support, so I'm gonna have to do that there too. And this one's still holding, and I could see through the windows these jumping up and down, the cattle panels, and I'm amazed that they stayed in place. So pretty happy with those results. I need to get these Oga out of the sun. The Yukon are doing fine too. But I guess that's my update. I'll add a couple clips of the storm was the worst at my daughter Amy's. Her wood swing set was ripped out of the yard and thrown into the ditch, and it's all the way to the street. The trampoline, this is where it was in this area. The storm had to have came in this direction up the hill and took it all out. Wentzville, Missouri had lots of buildings damaged, some trailers tossed around, and I have no clue what else happened anywhere else other than Amy's area was severe and Wentzville. But back to the drawing board of, you know, I'm not sure if letting the air in like this had anything to do with saving it, or if it were completely sealed, if that would have been better. But I'm gonna have to re-stretch the plastic on top and bring it back tighter, because it wasn't that high up on the top before. I don't know, normal plastic will stretch, but that's a lot of stretch that had to happen to get, what, maybe a foot above the wire now. But thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.